Guys, Lego Frederator here. So this package came in the mail. I'm pretty sure this is. Alright, that's really weird. Alright, so this is what it's in. I turned it over. Just gonna get this bubble wrap off. Alright, so this is the minifigure. I ordered this specifically. So I don't wanna make sure it's at the bottom. I don't wanna cut the list. Snip. And of course, they don't get it open. This is like next to impossible to. Alright, now let's see. The minifigure I got. What's the accessory? Oh, wow, it didn't come with one. It's odd. Oh, spear. Alright, so I got the tribal chief minifigure. So let's put them together. So, I chose. So this was one of the minifigures I specifically ordered. So just get this headdress off. This headdress has black hair. It's really neat. Imagine if they do more with that, but probably wasn't around back then. No back torso printing, but I mean this minifigure's series 3, going way back. We have frontal torso printing, which is kind of thick. You can feel it. Nice spear, which is very neat, and a little head just goes on the minifigure. So let's take a look at the bag. Very old. We have sumo wrestler, the pilot, the tribal chief, the gorilla, the snowboarder, elf, alien, rapper, other samurai. It's kind of weird. The minifigures I've specifically ordered now are the minifigures on the package. Kind of just weird continuity. Not continuity, just kind of a little weird. Alright, so here's the list. This is green. We have Fisherman, Evil Mech Robot, Mummy. This was our first suit guy ever. So, elf, tennis player, race car driver, hula dancer, and baseball player. So, very nice minifigure. Here. So now, I will not know which one I'm getting. I won't, unless it's like one of the ones I only ordered one of that series, which is only 2, like that. But very nice minifigure. Glad I got him. That's gonna be it for this video. So yeah.